Hey everyone, now I'm going to show you how to make a FlipGrid video and how to respond to FlipGrid videos. So under Wednesday in Math and Science, you're going to click on Mrs. Knotz's FlipGrid. And when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this screen. It's an all about me video. And you'll see that you have 6 questions that you also need to answer. So what you're going to do is hit record a response. And you'll see that you'll only have 1 minute and 30 seconds to create your video, or to record your video, excuse me. Now, in order to see the questions, you have to click up this little button up here that says create topic or see topic. And then you can drag this wherever you want. I'm going to just put it over to the side so I can still see it, but it's not in my way whatsoever. And so I see what is my name, what is my favorite subject, what subject do I struggle in, who was my teacher last year. If you were a superhero, what would your power be? And tell me one important fact about you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right to the little camera button and record my video. Hey guys, my name is Mrs. Knotts. My favorite subject would have to be social studies and history. The subject I always struggled with in school was chemistry. Obviously, I didn't have a teacher last year. If I was a superhero, my power would be to read other people's minds. I always like to know what people are thinking. And one important fact about me is I love to read. I can read 2 to 3 books a week, depending on my schedule, sometimes more if I don't have anything to do that week. So then I'm going to hit stop. And I'm done. So I can hit next, or I can play with the buttons down here first. So with my buttons, I can hit effects. I could add filters. I can do a frame. I can do emojis, anything. So I'm going to add a frame because I want it to look a little cool. And then I just click and see what the different frames are. I kind of like this one. I like the flowers. I think it's pretty cool. So I'm going to keep it as that. You can also look at the options. I could do upload a clip. So if you record it on a different program, you can upload it. Mirror my video, record screen, and mute. So I'm done. So now I'm going to hit next.
Hey guys, my name is Mrs. Knotts.
At this part, I can trim my video. So I can move my little icon right here. I can find out what part I'm at. I can cut a part of my video if I don't like it. Or I can leave it how it is. I think I did a good job. I'm not going to change it. So I'm going to go to next now. And I'm going to take a selfie. This, instead of a weird looking picture going on, I'm just going to have a selfie that goes right next to my video. Okay, quick little selfie. Hit next. My name, Kaylee Knotts. And submit. And then you'll see, there I am. All right, so that's how you make a FlipGrid video. Good luck, guys.